What you see behind me used to be one of Zimbabwe's major strategic industries and used to employ thousands of people and was so important to the local economy. There were so many other associated industries that depended on this. We are not going to be able to rebuild our country without making sure that these strategic industries are actually fully functioning. And the tragedy of our country is that you can go from town to town and find the very same strategic industries that used to offer apprenticeship opportunities for young people, employment opportunities for people in this state. We should have the kind of relationships that would enable us to tap into resources globally to bring back to life places like this, so that we can actually have employment again. We can actually have the towns such as Tollwood Town supported again by a thriving industry. Can you imagine that when something like this dies, what does it do to the local economy and what does it do to the national economy? You know, as we're showing you these images behind me here, we want you to imagine this place fully functional again. Imagine the number of people that could be employed here, the value that would be generated by a fully functioning place like this. This is what we want you to see as Build Zimbabwe, that there is another future that is possible if we put our heads together. Rebuilding our country is going to be the responsibility of everybody. We have so many skills outside the country. We have so many people who could actually help us bring this back to life again. Just imagine that. We at Build Zimbabwe say that is possible, not in 10 years' time and not in 20 years' time, but right now. Zimbabwe, our country, our heritage. Zimbabwe, Nyika yedu, Naka yedu. Zimbabwe, ilizwe letu, ilifa letu.